Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do fundamental analysis of Adani Enterprises. So without wasting time, let's begin. As we all know, recently all stocks related to Adani have been in news. This is due to the Hindenburg report. Now this is a completely different topic from today's video, so I will not share any details about the report in this video. If you want me to create a separate video about this report, then let me know in the comments section below. Now for the people who don't know about this report, the report said that the Adani Group had engaged in a brazen stock manipulation and accounting fraud scheme over the course of decades. So let's get on with the video and proceed to analyze the stock of Adani Enterprises. I will be using the Ticker Tape website to analyze the stock for this video. It is a very good website and we can find all the information relevant for our video on this website. I highly recommend you to use this tool as well. I will add the link of this site in the description of the video. Now as we can see, the stock has fallen drastically in the last trading session, going down by 627.50 rupees in just one day. The current price of this stock is 2,761 rupees. As we can see, the valuation is high when compared to the market. Means that this stock is overvalued, which is a bad sign. Although we should not depend on these valuations completely to analyze a stock, but in this case it seems to be right, as even I think that the Adani stock is currently overvalued in the market. That makes one bad sign. Let's move to the next point. If we see the all-time chart of the stock, we can see that it is a multi-bagger and has given return of 3,727%, which is very nice for a stock. But the growth of the graph has been really sharp, and that always leads to raising some doubts in the investor's mind. Moving on, let's move to the key metrics of the stock. As we can see, the PE ratio is 496, which is very high when compared to the sector PE of 52, and so is the PB ratio when compared to the sector's PB ratio. Dividend yield of the stock is also less at 0.003% compared to the sector's dividend yield of 0.6%. The key metrics are also looking bad when compared with its peers, so this leads to two bad signs for the stock. Let's move to the financials. The total revenue of the stock has been rising over the years, which is a good sign for the stock. As we can see, the revenue last year was 70,432 crore rupees and it has risen to 1,23,612 crore rupees. But the net income of the company has dropped since 2020 from 1138 crores to 922 crores in 2021 and 776 crores in 2022. It has risen in the current financial year to 1,000 crores this year, which is not a good sign for the stock. Same goes for the earnings per share (EPS), so this is another bad sign for the stock. So we have 3 red flags currently based on my checklist. Let's move forward to the balance sheet of this company. As per the balance sheet, the total assets that the company has is of about 1,01,596 crore rupees, while the total liabilities or debt is of about 74,600 57 crore rupees. The worrying aspect in this is the current asset and the current liabilities. The current assets that the company has is of about 30,945 crore rupees, whereas the current liabilities or debt that the company has is of 43,849 crore rupees. That is another red flag for me, making it a total of 4 red flags. Let's move on to the last segment of this analysis, that is the cash flow of the company. As we can see, the cash flow of the company is negative and that to 10,262 crore rupees, which is again a red flag. Negative cash flow doesn't always mean a bad thing, please keep that in mind. So that concludes our analysis and of the stock Adani Enterprises. Based on our analysis, I would not be buying this stock anytime soon, but please do not consider my advice alone. Please do your own research before investing in any company. So that concludes today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you want more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. Do comment your analysis in the comments section below. Thank you and keep investing.